I'm going to try and make this video to answer some of the questions that were posted. And the first one was, and I'm going to raise the intensity of A here. The first one, and A is on the bottom, B is on the top. I could also go like that, but then I get problems sometimes. The variable hold off, you can see I'm going to turn the knob, and this is the effect that I get. Bottom is A, the top is B. If I went into regular A mode, I'm not getting anything right now. I'm not sure why, but at least in alt it could be seen. The other one was the slope, and the slope in, slope out. Sorry, that was the B trigger slope. The A trigger slope is here. This is the A trigger slope. You can see the bottom one. The rising edge or the falling edge, where you can't see right now, but you did get a good look at that. And then the trigger level knob in triggered mode, which would be a lot easier if it was, well, if I turn it away from where it was triggering, it no longer triggers, and if I turn it back, you can see it jump, and I get it right to the right spot, and there it is. So, I mean, just to show you, I'm doing it in alt mode. And then you asked about the intensity knobs, and the intensity knobs do work. This one is B, although both seem to be getting brighter. And this is A, and you can see when I do A, it is separate from B. So that's A, and here's B, right there. And then you asked about AB sweep separation, and you also asked about the push-pull rotate. So let me see what I could find here. This is B trigger. I'm sorry, sweep separation. And here's the AB sweep separation knob, and there's B moving up and down over A. You asked about the seconds per division. This is 1, and then I'm going to pull it, and that'll leave the other one alone. I have to make this one down more to be able to turn the other one. So yes. So if I bring them back on to the same level, I'll switch them again. This is pulling that out and just adjusting the top one. Put that back on. And the other one was the B delay dial. The B delay dial's down here, and turning it from off. Let me see if I could bring the signal in a bit more. Yeah, that seems to be a little. I mean, it's doing something consistently. Not really looking at my settings. I'm just using the half a volt square wave reference. But that gives you an idea right there. A cleared up for just a second, and so there is functionality in the B delay dial. I hope this answers some of the questions that you had.